Hey everybody, this is Dustin Swindeman, the General Manager of Heartland Cyclone Toy Hauler Division. Today I want to show you guys the 3714 and all its unique features. First feature I want to show you guys is going to be our step caddy patio step holder. Basically, these are what they're going to do is enable you to store your steps instead of having them bouncing around in the garage. In a little bit, I will show you how these function. As we go down the side of this, some of the big features is going to be our 4 steps on the entry in the garage. Typically you'll see 3. We kind of went that extra step to get into the garage comparison to the other guys. As we work our way around here, you're going to see that we've got H-rated tires on this. This is going to be one of the higher rated tires. It's going to carry basically a heavier load. They're going to be a little more reliable. They're 14 ply, 120 PSI, so they're going to be great for a good load traveling down the highway. One of the other big features is going to be our Cree 3000 suspension. What this is going to do is dampen the vibration through the unit. What it's going to do is allow you to have less vibration, have your toys and everything travel safe. All right, so one of the really cool features is going to be our safety grab handle. What this does is it's simple pull out, and it allows you not to have to reach when you're walking up into your coach. Now, as you look at this area, one of the other really unique features you see on Cyclone is going to be our 4-step solid entry. And along with that is going to be our digital door locks. Not only do we put a digital door lock on the front of the unit, but we actually do it on the back door also. One of the cool things about this is not only is it digital, but is Bluetooth capable for your phone. One of the big unique features that we do on Cyclone that you will not see in any other toy hauler is going to be our 25-inch griddle grill pull-out combination setup. What this does is it's simple, it's easy, it's stored inside the compartment, so when you're ready to grill, you pull it out. When you're ready to go, you push it in. While you're cooking, one of the really cool convenient things is our 32-inch pull-out TV. Simple and easy to pull out while you're grilling. Now, as we look through the pass-through storage area on our Cyclone product, we're gonna have 3 points of access. We call it our store more storage. So you're gonna have on your door side, your off door side, and as we kind of work our way to the front, you're gonna have another pass-through storage access point right in the center. As we move to this compartment, we're gonna be having our 2,000 watt inverter. Now this inverter here is gonna be capable for lead acid batteries and lithium. Tied to this is gonna be our 330 watt solar system with a 30 amp controller that's gonna keep you dry camping longer. This is our Kurt Rotoflex pin box. What this is going to do is dampen vibration between the truck and the RV. Now the great part about this box is that it's going to help us out carrying this 14,600 pound unit. That is our dry weight on this. That is a very great weight for a double axle Cyclone with a total carrying capacity of 17,000 pounds. As we get into our universal docking station here, this is going to have all the necessities and complete hookups from dry camping, city water, winterizing, siphoning, and of course your power tank fill. It does have your black tank flushes along with an outside shower. If you don't like cold showers, we have got a tankless hot water heater, which is going to give you an endless supply of hot water. So a huge feature for us. If we open this up, we're going to have our fueling station. This is 60 gallons, 30 for your generator and 30 for your toys. Now, if you hate lugging around a big heavy power cord and putting it into your storage base, great idea here on Cyclone. We're going to have the electric power cord reel. Simple, easy, and convenient. Earlier in our video, I was talking about our step caddy. Well, here's what's inside of it, and here's how easy it is to install it. Our waterproof ramp door that doubles as a patio leads us into our 14-foot garage, 9 tie downs, 2,500 pounds. This is going to suit your needs to tie down any toy that's out there and available in the market. Our rear-facing loft is one of our unique features that doubles as a sleeping area, and it also is storage in the back of your unit. In addition to that, we have more sleeping space, 2 dual queen beds that will fit an additional 4 people comfortably. In a moment, I'm going to show you the main bath, but here's a half bath for the kids. Along with that is going to be our washer dryer hookup right next to that. This is going to be suitable for all-in-one washers, and above that is going to be your 32-inch garage TV. Luxury comes standard in the 3714, all the way down to the kitchen amenities. We've got a 4-burner cooktop along with an oversized oven. Of course, your residential size microwave, 19 cubic foot glass refrigerator with 2 freezers on the bottom side. Now, one of the new features that we've added to Cyclone is going to be our cabinet space underneath our sink. We've gone to a HepVo valve, which is going to clear this whole area out, 60% less connection points and 100% more room. Something I love so much about this unit is the seating space. You're going to have 4 recliners. Along with the 4 recliners, this is going to have heat, lights, and lumbar. The other thing that is unique about this is going to be the pull-down armrest. Along with the pull-down armrest, they're going to have 110 volt plugins and 2 USB ports. Now, as you look at that, you move over here, 2 fold-out benches on each side of your kitchen island. Of course, a fireplace, JBL sound system with interior and exterior speakers. Along with that, our 55-inch smart TV. Our primary bedroom is made of luxury, starting off with our king tilting bed, something that you don't see in any toy hauler out there. Dual nightstands with 110 volt plugins and 12 volt hookups on both sides of the bed. When it comes to storage everywhere. Closet space, dual drawers underneath, dresser top, storage on top of your dressers, 4 more drawers, and more storage above your headboard. Functional, residential fiberglass shower, glass door, multi-port shower sprayer, residential countertops, large medicine cabinet. Last but not least, our 3 15K ACs with multi-zone thermostats, meaning you can operate a different temperature in every room. Our Trio Airflow AC system is going to give you 30% more CFM. And to top it all off, our LED dimmable lighting is some of the most beautiful lighting in the industry. The Cyclone 3714 is a perfect combination of ruggedness and luxury, all packed into a double axle unit.